The fate of a sealed BIR box may only be known during the Senate impeachment trial itself. This was stated by Senate President Win Gatchalian. The so-called green box is believed to contain the tax records of Vice President Sara Duterte. Gatchalian explained that the impeachment court is not expected to rule on the issue during Monday's session. He said the court will decide whether the sealed box should be opened once the prosecutors present it as evidence during the trial.